Welcome everyone. Today we're going to explore one of the fastest growing ecosystems in the crypto space. That is SUI. Over the past few months, SUI has seen remarkable growth in its total value locked and trading volume. Just take a look at the last month or so, surpassing 1 billion USD. That's a tremendous achievement within just 30 days. And it's an indication of how much capital is flowing into the SUI ecosystem. Now, when we're talking about the TVL, we're essentially talking about the assets held within SUI's DeFi protocols. And this tells us that more users are participating and locking up their assets in these decentralized platforms. This explosive growth isn't just about the TVL, though. We're also seeing record high trading volumes, which means more users are transacting and engaging with the SUI ecosystem. This combination of rising TVL and trading volume suggests a strong foundation for continued growth. But SUI's growth isn't just about DeFi. One of the major drivers behind the surge is the booming Memecoin ecosystem on SUI. Over the last 24 hours, the top 20 meme coins on the SUI blockchain have experienced massive gains of over 250%. With some even achieving 4-digit percentage gains. Take a look at the table here. You have meme coins like SUI APES and AAACat that have gained 375% and 430% in a week. The most notable being Moodeng on SUI, which has achieved nearly 995% gains in 24 hours alone. Now, I don't suggest just aping into these meme coins right now, but what does this mean for SUI? It means that the meme coin trend is contributing to its increased user activity and demand for the SUI token itself. And as reported by sources like Cointelegraph, this surge in meme coins isn't isolated to SUI. It's a trend that we've seen across the blockchains, but SUI's meme coin activity has been particularly explosive. The success of these meme coins reflects how attractive and engaging the SUI ecosystem is for new projects and speculators. Now, if you look at the price action, SUI has seen a stellar month, breaking past key psychological barriers like $2. This candlestick chart shows the strong upward movement of the SUI token over the past month, reflecting a series of higher highs and lower lows. That's a classic indicator of a bullish trend, signaling that the market is confident about SUI's growth. Additionally, the breakout past $2 was accompanied by a significant rise in trading volume, which confirms that this isn't just a small pump. It's a sustained upward trend with plenty of liquidity backing it. SUI's market cap reached as high as 5.9 billion, rapidly closing in on Polkadot, which at the time of this recording sits at 6.36 billion. This rapid growth puts SUI in the top tier of layer 1 blockchains, and it could soon flip Polkadot's market cap altogether. The same goes for Near Protocol. And at one point it did flip Near Protocol, but currently it sits just behind. Recent analysis suggests that SUI could become the institutional app building blockchain of choice, positioning itself to reach a $5 token value in the short term. This means that if SUI maintains its growth trajectory, it could set a new standard for layer 1 blockchains and establish itself as a top contender in the market. So although a lot of the applications are not really applications, but more like meme coins right now, I am excited to see how it can differentiate itself from some of the other big players like Solana and Ethereum. Speaking of Solana, I'll provide you with a link to the Sol versus SUI video that I did 2 weeks ago, which compares SUI in its first 18 months being launched to Solana in its first 18 months. And if you're planning on attending Permissionless in Salt Lake City, get in contact with me. I plan on being there. In fact, I'll be managing the CertiK booth, and I'm also hosting my own event. I'll provide the links in the description. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking this video. I will provide more updates about the SUI ecosystem.